everyone. Today I'll be covering electric field and force. Electric force is the force between two electrically charged objects. Opposite charges attract and same charges repel. Here's an equation for electric force, and here's another one. You're going to use both of these. Electric field is a region of space where an electrical charge would feel a force. It's specifically a measure of a force the electric charge would feel if placed in that region. Positive charges exert electric field lines away from them, as a positive test charge placed there would be repelled, and the opposite is true for negative charges. Here's your equation for electric field, and here's another one. You'll use both of these. Let's do some examples. Pause the video and read the problem. Well, knowing that this is our equation for electric force, we can solve for the forces on the 1 microcoulomb test charge and then just add them up. For electric force in 2 dimensions, it's slightly more complicated. Pause the video and read the problem. Well, using the same equation, we can solve for the forces on the test charge at the origin again, but this time we have to use Pythagorean theorem to get the resultant force vector. And here's one more last common problem type, finding where electric field is equal to 0. Pause the video and read the problem. Well, this time we have to use our equation for electric field, and since we need to find where the electric field is equal to 0, we need to find the point at which the electric field from both charges is equal to each other, or the same. And we also need to get a common variable for the distance, so we use x, or the distance from the origin. Well, after cross-multiplying, simplifying, and canceling, this is what we get, and we get this quadratic. And you can just put this into your calculator to solve, and you get 2 solutions. But conceptually, the only region where a test charge would experience an electric field equal to 0 would be between the 2 test charges, as they're both positive. So therefore, the first solution gets canceled out. Thank you guys for watching.